Hi everyone, welcome to day 14 of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges. Now today it's all about small kitchen appliances. Every single house I've been into, I've encountered a situation where people get a new coffee maker or a new toaster or a new waffle iron and save the old ones just in case they need them. Now let me tell you, that day is never going to come. So here's what I want you to do. It's in two parts. Number one, have a look at all of your small kitchen appliances and let the duplicates go. Just get them out of the house to someone who will love, need and use them. And while you're at it, if you suddenly realize that you've had a juicer or other small kitchen appliance that you've never used, clear the clutter, let it go and pass it on. Small kitchen appliances, and let's hear the weirdest and most wonderful item that you decided to let go of today. Love to hear about it.